Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know how can you apply for UOB credit card. In order to apply for a UOB credit card, you could follow these steps. Now, in order to apply for the UOB credit card, you could either use a browser or an application. Now here, open up a browser and on the web address bar, you want to type in www.uob.com.sg/personal card personal card. When you type in that information, you'll be taken to the home page, which will look like this. Here, you want to scroll down a bit and you could find out different credit cards that they offer. So here you could go and explore all the credit cards that they offer, and the application procedure will remain the same for them. Now, if you see, I'm gonna go with this one. Scroll down a bit, you could read about the details as well. Now click the apply now button. As soon as you click on apply now button, it will take you to the next field, which will look something like this. Here, you want to click the next button in order to start with the procedure. Read the terms and conditions and click the agree button. After that, you'll be able to see this sort of page. So here you want to either apply with bank details or apply with SingPass. So whichever information that you have, select it and follow the prompt. So this way you'll be able to apply for the UOB credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.